Welcome to our mini vlog for today at ang featured natin ngayon is everydays dito po sa South Caloocan. Yan, ang ganda naman ng ambience ng kanilang place. There, yung mga sauces and ang kanilang price list. Ayan yung kanilang mga toppings na pwede po natin ilagay. Ang daming pagpipilian. Exciting! Ayan, ito po yung mga board games na pwede po nating laruin. Ito yung mga in-order namin.
Frozen yogurt, medium with toppings like brownies. This is granola. To, tapos mango. What did you have? What did you order now? What did you order?
Vanilla.
Can I borrow yours? Vanilla ice cream with mango. Fruit Loops and mini cookies. There. Here, can I borrow yours? So, vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream with malus, chocolate chip.
Chocolate sauce.
Yung chocolate sauce. Yummy. It's good and it's affordable here, and then meron mga games like this one, the Jenga. We're playing it now. There. Visit every days. Ito lang sa located sa malapit sa 999 sa Plaza Philippines. So malapit din siya doon sa labas sa San Roque Cathedral sa South Caloocan. Visit now.